Hi friends, Chelsea Rich with 913 Hair Studio back again for another tutorial. Today I thought we could tackle a hybrid style, a half up top knot. Now, if you've already watched my top knot video that I had previously posted, you know exactly what to do for this top knot. However, there's something new you don't know about. There's an added twist. For me, I like to have a lot of product in my hair, so I like to use this style maybe day 3, day 4. I do a lot of different styles during the week, but then again, I'm a hairstylist. I like to change it up. I like to have fun. I like to do cool stuff. So today's products I'm going to use to complete this look are heat protectant, dry shampoo, texture spray, and a lightweight hairspray. My go-to tools I use to complete this look are my flat iron, my hairbrush, comb, you'll need bobby pins, and you'll also need a scrunchie. I think I got a 10-pack of these scrunchies at Walgreens, and they're so cheap, and I use them all the time for everything. You can lose them, and it doesn't even matter. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do today is apply our tried and true heat protectant. I just sprayed it right in my face. Now that we've got the heat protectant put on our hair, I'm gonna put in some dry shampoo. All right, now that we've got our dry shampoo and our heat protectant in place, I want you to decide how much hair you want to put up, and that hair that you do want to put up, I kind of want you to give it a tease. The tease helps it build that volume that we're going to pull out like we do in the top knot video. And that should be perfect. Sometimes I even like to add a little bit of lightweight hairspray just to really put it in place. You can even comb your fingers back through it and spray with your fingers in there, and that will kind of give it whatever I'm trying to say. Got our nice tease going on. You know what? I think I might just be done. This might be the new coronavirus look. Now that we've got a really good amount of product in our hair, I'm gonna go ahead and toss it up. I get the best top knot when I use my scrunchie. That's why I want you to use the scrunchie, is because when you wrap your top knot around it, it provides a really nice base for you to pin everything into. And like I said, if you have fine hair like me, you just need all the help you can get. Okay, now that we have our hair up and in place, same thing as the top knot video, I want you to just pull out little chunks, make it look cute. Just give it. And then I want you to tighten it back up, kind of suck everything back in. Just make it how you like it. Now that we've got all this in place, this is where our new trick comes in. So what I want you to do next is take your ponytail. I want you to split it in half, and I want you to tease each section. Okay, this is what I want from you. I want it to look like this. Take your sections. You can run your fingers over them, smooth them out just a little bit, but don't get rid of your tease. Then what I want you to do next is wrap them around each other, twist them around each other, kind of like a little rope. The teasing just gives it volume and a cute little bubbled look. Okay, so once you get to the end, hold your tail between your fingers, hold it tight, take a little bit of hair, don't take the whole chunk, but just take the edge of it, and I want you to just pull out a tiny bit right through here, just to give it a little bit more of that bubbled look. There we go. Once you've got your little rope in place, I want you to just, like the top knot video, twist it around your scrunchie. We're gonna twist it around and pin it down. Twist. And sometimes with this, you kind of have to play around with it just to get it to look and lay the way you want it to. So I want to, like this was kind of up here. I kind of want to just bring it back down to reality. So I want to pin my tail back here, take another bobby pin, and I'm just going to take what I don't like, stick a little bobby pin in there, and you can kind of tug at it a little bit just to get it where you want it. Tell them who's boss. You know the drill. You should by now. And just pin it until it feels secure. Give it a shake if you need to. Now that we've got all this in place, I'm gonna go through and recurl the ends of my hair. You can do it as curly as you want. You can do it as loose as you want. Heck, you can wear it straight if you feel like it. All right, now that we've got all of the curl in our hair, I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. If I need to go back through and recurl anybody, I can. Okay, now that we've got our curls in place, I ran my fingers through it. Now I'm gonna go through and tease right up through here, just so it's not so flat to my head. When I do tease, I like to do it in 2 sections. So I'm going to take 2 sections, I'm gonna take this section and I'm just gonna pop it over here out of my way because I'd rather start on this bottom section because this will be like your foundation. Now if you want to, you can add some texture spray first, or you can add a little bit of hairspray first to help with your tease. Sometimes that happens and that's okay. And just remember, when you're teasing, the farther down you start, the more tease you're gonna build. So if you start closer to your base, you're not gonna build that much volume. So I like for this bottom section that I am building my foundation, I like to start about halfway. And I kind of just put it back down where it's actually gonna live. See how it's gonna be. And I think that should be enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some lightweight hairspray to really get it to stay in place. Now I'll work on this section that lays over it. Don't go too crazy on this section since this is the section that's the star of the show. But you can always go back through and smooth it out too, if you need to. So now I've got our volume in place. Sometimes I just like to go, I don't comb through it, but I take my comb almost horizontal and just get the pieces that are laying out, like who are like really trying to cause a scene, and just tame them down. Now, like I said, you can do lightweight hairspray, or you can do texture spray, or you can do both. I'm gonna do a little bit of both so that I have my texture spray. And then I'm also going to double up with my lightweight hairspray. You can already tell, this side knows what's up. This side, in my personal opinion, I feel like teasing it is the perfect finishing touch. It really polishes off the look and just makes you look like you're ready to go out and have a fantastic time. Spray my face again. Okay guys, teasing's done. Hairspray and texture spray are in, and I think that's all she wrote. I am ready. I'm ready to go for a walk because we can do that today, and it's finally nice out and it's finally sunny, so praise be. If you try this style at home, tag me on Instagram, chelsearich.hair. I would love to feature you in my stories and show the world that we're all doing this together.